you keep explaining the same thing over and over to Claude, and the same thing keeps happening, just a little worse every time. What if I told you you could make progress in a way where you only really have to explain it once, and Claude will just know exactly what to do every single time? Well, that, my friend, is called a skill. Now, let me show you exactly how these skills work and how you can build your own in just a couple minutes. Now, what is a Claude skill? Skill is a playbook that Claude picks up only when it's needed. It's not a prompt that you have to copy and paste or type in every single time. It's a saved set of instructions. Claude loads on its own the moment your request matches what you're looking for, and then it follows those steps exactly. Every skill has 3 simple parts. Under the hood, it's just a plain text file. It doesn't really matter. But what you're looking for, that's something that is replicable and is easy to use and is reliable. Now, underneath, a lot of people have something like this. The name of the skill is brand voice. Pretty simple. The description, how Claude understands what this is. The trigger. It's used when writing any copy for X company, product, whatever, email, landing pages, whatever. And then the instructions. Write in second person. Keep sentences short. Never use emojis. Lead with the benefit. Sign off with the Acme team. Now, this is a very simple one, but I want you to take a moment to think about all the ways in which you could apply this, especially for copywriting. If you have a very specific set of circumstances that you're trying to work with or work on, let's say you have 3 or 4 different clients. Each of those clients, I now have a command, and I'll say, humanize this voice for X client. And it listens for the word humanize or brand voice. And then it goes through and it follows whatever set of instructions that I tell it. How does Claude know when to use a skill? What Claude does is it pays real close attention to what you're typing, and it looks for keywords within what you're typing, and it will activate that skill automatically. In this example, when you ask in plain words, write an Acme caption for this, as we set up here, use when writing any copy for Acme. Write an Acme description for this. It scans the descriptions. It skims the 1-line triggers only. So these triggers always have to be just 1 line. Once it finds the one that fits, it follows that playbook and it uses that skill and it runs whatever you're doing. It adds that skill within that equation. So that way, no matter what you do, it's immediately in there, it's handled, it's good to go every time. It's really smart. This is why when you're a business owner, when you're trying to optimize and you think through these things, you can start multiplying your work very quickly. Because in our example, it's write an Acme caption for this post. It goes through, it loads the skill. But now imagine doing this with dozens of skills at a time, and there's no clutter because you yourself never have to go through and remember these things. You just have to remember that you have to use the word Acme in it. And we're writing copy for Acme. Well, that's going to be in there. So how do you create a Claude skill? It's literally just a request and Claude will do it automatically for you. Let's have a look and let's just make an example skill right now. I want to create an example skill where every time you give me a readout of the exact time and date. Now we've put in the request. Claude is going to take this. It's thinking with some high effort. You do not need to be using any high level model for this or even thinking with high effort or extra high effort. None of that is going to matter or make a big difference. Go ahead and type it. Now we got it. Hullabaloo, skill loaded. It's Saturday. It's late night. And that's exactly all you need to create a skill. Now imagine the lengths to which you can go to do this. I have some really fun skills that I've created that are very specific to specific clients, where they run full blog posts, full research, creating images, sorting things out, optimizing for websites, website speed, checking for errors, and all I have to do is type in something really quickly. So when you get into this and you start getting more comfortable and you're thinking about what you want to do and how you want to do it, that's where it is. To create your own skill, it's a simple request, but you have to understand that your skill is something that's going to happen automatically and it's going to be tied to a word. How do you use your skill once it's made? Well, you have to be in the right place, right? So you have to be within the place that you made the skill, and you have to use whatever keywords within that skill so it knows what it's looking for. Otherwise, if it doesn't have anything to look for, it can't do it, and you'll be stuck. Now, a common question I get is, what is the difference between a skill or a project or an MCP? Now, I'm going to walk you through it, and then I'll showcase a couple ways that I would talk you through it and some easy ways to understand it. So these are 3 different jobs, and they all work together, or they can. A skill is the person who is a specialist. You need someone who can analyze the blog posts of your top competitors to see why they're competing or outcompeting you for keywords that are important to your business. That's a skill. You can have a skill go through, look for anybody who's ranking in first for your business, for your important keywords, and Claude can rip through all of that content, try to hypothesize about why it's performing as well as it is, and give you that as a report. Now, it could be competing resorts, it could be competing dentists, it could be competing electricians. It doesn't matter what it is. But that's a skill where it's a specific employee that does one job very well and all the time. Now, a project is a workspace that holds all the files, notes, and past chats for one body of work. So Claude remembers what you're working on. Now, what I do is I have an alias for each of my projects. And so when I open up Claude, I type in the project that I want to be working on. And now I'm within that project. And every project has access to all of my skills. So if I'm working with a resort and I'm running ads for a resort and working on SEO to drive more traffic and room rentals, I just say the resort name, and that will now bring up Claude into that whole file. And Claude will be able to read every line within that file and feel it out exactly so it knows exactly where we're at. But the thing is every time you open up Claude and something like that, it goes through everything in there. This is very powerful for getting Claude started on the right foot. And the last thing is an MCP is a live wire to your outside tools and data. It lets Claude actually do things like read a system, pull data like an API, or update your website. It's the keys and logins that let it reach your real system. You go into a project, you tell it to do something, and it will use an MCP to go out and do something. And that's only if it needs to reach something outside of your actual folder. In my earlier explanation, I said, hey, look up the top competing competitors for SEO keywords and figure out why they're outcompeting us. I would be doing that inside a project. My command would bring up a skill. Claude would then use that skill in the instructions, and it would go through an MCP to connect to other websites and create that research report and make it happen. So what skills could a resort use that you would actually use with Claude? Now, here's some easy ones. Turn notes and numbers into a finished slide deck. So this one is automatic, everyone gets it. Group sales and wedding pitch decks, owner and investor updates at your resort. So PPTX, XLSX, builds and fills real spreadsheets from plain instructions. That's pretty handy. DocX PDF, ships with Claude again. Drafts, polished documents, and fills out PDFs. Brand voice, you can obviously build this over time. You can go through some of your older content that you like or content you like from other places and upload it and ask it to reverse engineer a brand voice. So that way you are always consistent when you write this. Owner report, formats the same report the same way every month. Occupancy, ADR, RevPAR, summaries, the way owners expect them. So this is all super valuable stuff. And this is stuff that you as a resort or a business owner, hotel owner can use immediately. Now, once you teach this to Claude, you will have it forever. But are Claude Skills free, and do you need a pro? Claude Skills are absolutely free. They only cost the tokens to create them. And you should always be optimizing them as you go. Anytime I do something or create something for the first time, that's the most expensive time I do something, because after that, everything is set up perfectly. And if there's any rough edges, I round them out and I make it better. And I don't just say, hey, this instance, fix it for this time. I say, fix this within the skill forever, because I don't want to come back and see this mistake again. I don't have time to be correcting the same mistake every time I do something. It creates friction in my daily processes. It costs me time. It costs me money. And then it costs clients time and money. And it could cost you time and money. So do you need a pro? I would say to always use a pro. I am a pro myself. If you want help, if you're excited about this, drop a comment below. Check out my website. There will be a link. You can reach out to me. I can help you create and stack skills for whatever it is that you happen to be looking for. Advertising, SEO, reporting to owners, automating data reports so that way they always know exactly what's going on and it's on some sort of live interface. All of that stuff is directly there and ready to go at all times. And it can be if you set it up properly. If you're curious about this stuff, feel free to reach out. I can also give you a prompt. Just drop a comment below. Ask me for a kind of skill that you want. I will send you a link to a specific prompt just for you. But if you want to start building something that is stackable, intelligent, optimizes itself over time, then we should have a chat. And that should be something that will save you hours of your week and hundreds of hours over a year. And that's where I get really excited, and that's where I have a lot of fun, because that's where you're really making some serious progress for yourself and in your business. So anyways, I hope you guys really like this. This is just something that I'm really passionate about. I've been doing this for my own agency and other agencies for multiple years now, since the first LLMs came out. And now I'm pretty far ahead of the game, and I'd love to bring that talent to you, your business, and your crew. So please hit the button, subscribe. If you've seen this face more than once, hit the subscribe button. What are you doing? We're spending too much time together already. You can tell. And please stay awesome. Remember, if today ends with a Y, it's a great day to make some money. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.